What's good, YouTube, man? Y'all already know who it is. Your boy Frazo Reaction. I'm coming back at y'all with something like I'm coming back at y'all with another reaction video. And as y'all can already see by the title today, man, y'all already know who we reacted to, man. Shout out to my boy NateSoUgly. This is his channel. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe, man. We on the road to 400 subscribers, yo. And we about to watch NateSoUgly fireworks in the house prank gone wrong. You feel me? So without further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. I want to see, man.
That's not even funny, man. That shit,
Not to do it, bro. Why y'all so diddy? Cats.
Yo, they called the paramedics, the firefighters. I swear to God.
Paramedic firefighters? A lot of commotion going on.
Out my room, bro. Blow me out my room down.
Shit.
Close the door! Close the door!
Close the door! Naked, everybody. Oh shit.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, NateSoUgly in this bit. Today we got a special prank for you today. Listen, you already read the title, so you already know what's going on. But I decided that I'm going to light fireworks in the house, okay? Listen, check me out. Let's go. Repeat the color.
Oh, damn. God damn. We got some big shit on the hair.
Today, I will be lighting fireworks in the house. Right now, I'm trying to be really quiet as possible because everybody's in the room. I don't know what them to do. But look, there's going to be multiple different pranks. We're going to catch them while they're sleeping, while they're awake, while they're caught lacking, everything. This one I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a pot and I'm going to leave it by their bedside when they're sleeping so they're going to think it's gunshots. Prior to when it's popping, be like, ah! We're going to catch them lacking. I don't know.
Yo, child, let me know. Have y'all ever had this happen to y'all? I never had
how, but when it's the perfect time to do it, we're just gonna do it. Listen, make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe.
Yeah. That's tough. I fuck with that.
Recording.
W transition.
That's how y'all coming? That's how Nate. That's how Nate is doing.
I know everything. Yeah, this how you feeling.
This one. Oh, look, so look, and this like we could like this the one that go on the floor and go. No. We could like those at the same time.
That's the only one that's.
Prior to when we throwing it, they're gonna run away. So already have that stick aiming.
Listen, pick which room you want. Pick which room you want. Pick which room you want. They gonna have nowhere to go. So which room just gonna go in? Pick.
No, I'm gonna do that one. That one's bad.
They calling me. They calling.
Which one's bad?
Bro, all these shit's bad.
All of them is bad, bro. No cap. All of them is crazy.
Put that one in the pot.
That one's
all of that is.
No, I ain't gonna. This is look. It's gonna be rolls. It's gonna be rolls like this. You might just put this in the pot. It's gonna be a whole bunch of these.
Yeah.
And you just grab
that in the pot, not this.
This the bigger one.
Nah, that's the big one. We gotta put both of them
shits in a pot.
Oh, fam, one of them is 1,000, one of them is that shit's gonna be a nuke.
They calling me, so I gotta like.
Alright, come on, let's go. Open that one, see what that is. So right now we're setting up. We're making mini one. In this version to throw.
Roll, bro.
Roll it out.
So all we're gonna do, since they come in like different, multiple packs, we're gonna tie them up together. Shit like that.
If it's gonna be the whole roll, it's gonna be the whole roll. Oh my god.
That's smart.
Oh my.
3.
That's just a bomb, bro. That's literally just a bomb. It's one fuse.
Let's do it.
One fuse.
Oh my god.
Unwrap some shit.
Oh. Damn.
Nah.
You gotta put it in the pot.
Oh my god, that shit's a fucking bomb. That's a bomb, cuz. That's a bomb.
Bruh. Yo, I'm sleeping and cats do this to me. They gonna have to see me. That's crazy.
Take the
Basketball, basketball game.
The tape on it together.
Dummy.
Oh my gosh.
Reaction.
But you might as well push it up like this.
You don't got a cover for the pot?
Light it and then put the shit on top and then slide it in there.
You don't got a cover for the pot?
This pot gonna go flying.
No, it's not.
The top gonna come off regardless.
Nah, the top is
gonna come off regardless. It'll just be like, you feel me?
It's gonna blow up. You think it's gonna go
top
up
about to
first?
come off, bro.
Took the top off.
That's gonna blow
That's
up.
the biggest one they got.
Man, this shit gonna blow up.
Like we talking about his birthday. After we talk about his birthday, somebody gotta hide the camera. When somebody hide the GoPro, when somebody, but you can hide it. Listen, when somebody hides it, we light
My man's Kobe at 44. Damn.
it up from the outside. Look. Fam, we gotta light it up. We gotta light it up.
His reaction is fucked up.
So look, we gotta light it up. Light it up from the inside.
Yeah, Suave
throw it in
trying
there,
to
and
get
hold the
them.
door.
But I wanna get his reaction.
Yeah.
Go ahead, let's see what he
You can't see it in person. Wait. Should we just grab our bags and have everything in the car ready? Might well do that now. He gonna get hot. Well, he gonna wanna put on the shorts. Everybody get your shit.
Who they catching first? Let's see. Oh, shit.
That shit gonna go flying.
Crazy.
That's what but if you don't put nothing on top, nothing's gonna go flying.
For sure, it's gonna break the TV.
Might hit the fan.
We can't put it next to the TV.
Corner right here. You know you sleep on this side of the bed. So if you put it on the floor, it's gonna get him up and shit. Bro, just leave it in. After we go out, you gotta.
Gotta get a house with the gang, man. Gotta get a house with the gang.
Jeff, call Jeff.
Zo.
Alright, well,
What they about to do? Call a kid?
what you about to do? So what you about to do for your B-Day?
None.
Yo, I don't know why y'all being weird all night. Well, don't do no weird shit, bro. Don't blow me, fam. I'm not gonna lie to you. Don't even blow me, man. Listen, you know I'm on game everything. I'm always on people. Don't even blow me.
Hey, what?
Don't blow me, bro.
He already know what time it is.
Yo, the camera, I swear to God, I swear to God, Nate, I'll break everything in your room, bro. Let's get the fuck out of my room right now. Don't even blow me. I just clean my shit. Don't do it. You're gonna get me mad, bro. I'm dead ass serious. EJ, get the camera out my face, for real, fam.
He already know they on
Nah,
time,
this is me.
His intuition.
Yo, fam, you're not slick. Go get out of my room, fam. I'm out, bro.
nothing.
I'm out, fam.
We're not doing
I'm out, bro.
Hold on.
Get out the room, gang. Nah, that's crazy. Oh, damn. I gotta turn on my headset real quick a little bit. That shit loud as hell. Yo, imagine if they got it in the room. Yo, he would be tight. He wouldn't want to smoke with all of them. I ain't gonna lie. And they got marble floor too. I mean, the scary part come off and shit like that. It's easier to sweep and shit like that too in there. So.
It's off. This one wonder. This one wonder.
There's a long one outside in the neighborhood.
You for real?
Shit, I don't know it. Yo, it called the paramedics, the firefighters.
What? Scared as hell.
Hey, fam. I got my charger. I'm about to go to sleep, bro.
Please.
Man tried to catch you with me.
I've been on beat, nigga. I'm not no slow ass nigga.
Bro, not even mad.
One thing about me, bro. I've been on beat, fam.
You ain't getting one up on me. You're not getting one up on me.
The whole night they make you coming in my room, asking me for charge. Nigga, I'm not slow, nigga. What's up with you? Come on, fam.
Intuition.
Come on, bro. Look at my door, nigga. I need that shit clean by tomorrow, fam.
Say you need that shit clean by
Y'all still did it, bro.
Y'all want the demon up. They don't want the demon up. Can't even turn this on.
Bro, they that shit go off, bro.
What's the alarm go?
I'm gonna break that camera. I swear to God, boy, you gonna see that camera go off.
Don't sleep with this smell. We're not sleeping in here, nigga. I'm sleeping in here, fam. Fuck you talking about not sleeping in here.
What you for the dude, bro?
You told me about the break, stupid ass nigga.
Yo, why you getting hot when Jason getting hot?
No, I'm just saying, I'm still fam. Come on, bro. Close the fucking door. Close my door, fam. Everybody out my room, fam. Out my room, bro.
You too warm,
Yeah, everybody in my room, bro. Out my room, bro. Blow me out my room, fam.
Did that from the door, wildin' out.
Bro, I look so tired, bro.
Boy, was up
Oh my
last
God.
night, man.
Yo, I'm dead. Look, I know what you're thinking. Why do I look tired? Why I look like I just woke up? Cause listen, bro, I woke up on demon time, alright? Look, bro, today
morning?
I will
We ain't brush your teeth, wash your face. We about to get straight to the action, my
be
guy.
doing a firework prank on Call of Kid, bro. Call of Kid right now. He is sleeping, but one thing about Call of Kid, he does not wake up like on time. This man gonna wake up at like 3 o'clock. Right now, as I'm telling you,
about to do Call
it's
of Kid.
11:09. I don't know if y'all
About to
can
see
see
how
it.
Call of
It's
Kid
11:09. That's why I'm tired. I just woke up myself. Like our sleep schedule is very terrible, so that's why like we wake up late. But listen though, right now I'm planning on putting fireworks in this man's room. I'm not gonna actually
going to sleep
put
early as
these
hell,
in his
the
room,
next
like
minute
set it
I'm
on the
over
floor.
here
Okay, that's
fucking
too OD.
waking up
I ain't trying to burn the house down.
late
I
as
ain't
hell
trying
for the
to,
day and
you
shit
feel
like
me? I ain't trying to do too much crazy shit, you feel me? But the goal is, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get this trash can right. I'm gonna get this trash can right here. So the goal is, I'm gonna put this trash can in this room first. Then after I set this trash can in there, I'm gonna put this in there, light it up, and run away and see what happens, all right?
Type. Boy, you don't hear him, no nothing. He don't hear all these cats in his room. Oh, no, they're not even in his room. Yeah, take those off, yo. Them shit's hard, but them shit's making mad noise, bro. Gotta go stealth mode, bro. Yeah, stealth mode. Oh, shit. Side door open. Look inside real quick. Well, sleep. Gotta grab the next grab the trash. Gotta grab the trash. Nah, them rugs be tough as hell.
So we switched it up to this, right?
Oh man, damn, yeah. Shit, I'm about to see how Call the Kid react, man. We about to see how Call the Kid react.
This room cool.
Gotta move, guys, gotta move. Right? Oh yeah, turn the phone off. I don't need no notification sign going off while he ain't here on the mission. Pause, cause some of y'all too childish. Y'all take that phone off. Shit, they about to do Call the Kid bad. That bathroom tough as hell. 2 sinks. Nice little window right there. Walk-in shower. That shit tough. They changed his lights to red. shoes. Oh, bro, we told you about that, man. Just making mad noise. Nah, see me, I would have woke up already and shit like that. Like, they make it too much noise. Too much noise, guys. I would have woke up already, bro. I know me. I got 6 cents. I would have woke up. Anybody doing bad? Gotta move. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, watch call the game. Yeah. Boom. Hold on. Drop to the floor. Hold on. He thought they was coming through the window. Drop to the floor. Hold on. Got him. Nah, they cleaning that up for me too. Open that window. Y'all gotta open the window.
Open the window.
Oh my God. Open the window.
Sid moving slow. Come on, gang.
The money team.
Nah, that's big. Hurry up. Move for that. He moving bot right now.
Oh my God.
Clean that shit, bro. You money.
Gotta get mad at that.
Clean it, Zo. You money. Clean it.
You good, bro? Get you back, boy.
Respectfully, I'm not cleaning it up.
Don't open the door.
Let it fog out first. I'm gonna clean it. You good though?
Hey, go through empty shit.
I've been tight too.
So right now, I just caught them boys in my room. Listen, I don't even want to do this shit in my room, but fuck it.
Are you doing it in everybody else's room? Fuck it.
The deed has to get done. You get what I'm saying? Listen, I'm recording on my small ass GoPro, like this little ass camera. Look at this little ass camera.
Like that. That shit
Look at this little camera. I'm finna set this shit up while they in there. So hopefully they don't know this. Look at this little ass camera. You think they don't know this? No, I got a big surprise for them. Oh, they fucked up.
It's your room, so you know exactly what. He already got it set too. DT.
So y'all boy good? Man, y'all boy just chilling, vibing, bro. Damn, y'all boy watching the game.
Oh, they watched the Sacramento and go to sleep.
Oh shit, that's crazy. Damn, that's crazy.
They're not even paying attention because it's his room, so they're not even thinking about what he's going to do or anything that's going to happen. Not even thinking about it. They got they enjoying it. Oh no, they watching the highlights right now. Oh yeah. Glock, boom. Okay, girl. Shit.
Chill, dog.
Oh shit, my
boom.
Damn. No, what you mean? I'm doing that. Chill.
Oh, give me Andrew Wiggins. Yes, sir. Hey, use the screen. Oh, yeah, give me that. He put two They're not even thinking too much about it. W camera angles. Cat's already doing time away. Yo, so I made what the Damn, they got another line going off again. Jeff got low. Oh, they turned it up. Let's move. And well, that's the end of the video right there. Some things that y'all new to the channel, man. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe. If you got to end of this video, yo, you feel me? Damn, my camera was fucked up the whole entire time. Damn. Be alright though. But if you got to the end of this video, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 400 subscribers, so let's get it on gang.